Hey guys, it's Julia, aka The Mug Life. Welcome to my channel. If you're brand new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I'm really glad to have you. Be sure to like, subscribe. I would love to have you. I'm a brand new channel, so starting out having so much fun just posting and being creative and just being inspired by so many awesome YouTubers. So today I am participating in the Fall Floral Challenge. I got all of my fall floral from the Dollar Tree. So this one was super inexpensive, super fun to make, and the style of it is a boho modern take of a farmhouse. It's a little bit of a combo, but it was a lot of fun to do. And there are two co-hosts part of this challenge, so I will have their channels linked down below, so be sure to check out that and check out the playlist of everyone who is part of this challenge. So hope you guys enjoy.
So we'll be going right into the first step, which is just painting the large skewer that I got from the Dollar Tree. I actually had 2 packs of these that I bought, and I had an entire one left over from a previous project. Now the second step, I actually had the grass that I bought because I wanted the feathers. So I decided to add both. I added the feathers and the grass to one end of my skewer. Then I wrapped twine all the way around just to reinforce it and to add a little bit of the boho touch. Now to make the arrowhead, I took one of the metal cookie sheets. I believe it's a cookie sheet from Dollar Tree, and I just designed an arrow that I kind of liked. I just wanted it a little bit larger so you could tell it was an arrow, and I traced it, cut it out. Now a tip I do have to smooth out these bumpy edges that's on the cookie sheet, I just flipped my scissors over and used the plastic part and smoothed out those edges. And of course, I also had to add some paint just to lessen that bright, sharp aluminum color. I flipped the arrowhead over and glued it to my skewer. I use hot glue, but I'm sure could use E6000 if that's your preference. I reinforced it with just a scrap piece of the metal and pushed it down. I also wanted to make it look a little bit three-dimensional, so I added extra aluminum onto the sides. And you'll see I'm kind of just folding over the front edges right here. Now on to the grand finale of the florals. I picked out some really fun bright colors. I really liked the orange, the purples, and I also added some sunflowers, which of course had the yellow. And the feathers that I chose was also Dollar Tree. So pretty much this whole project, other than my paint, was all from the Dollar Tree. Now I did a combination of hot gluing the flowers to each other, the leaves, and using my floral wire to attach this whole section right in the middle of my arrow. I also picked up some of the pumpkin picks, the white ones. I wasn't sure if I liked the white or if I would paint them, which I did end up painting because my walls in my house rental are white. So I thought the white would just blend too much into the wall. So I actually do end up painting them, which you'll see in the final end project. And our last step that we're going to do is just to hang it. So I added some twine to both sides and it was ready to go. And here it is hanging in my living room. I really loved how this final finished project ended. A little bit of boho, a little bit of fall, and a lot of fun colors. Thanks for watching my video. Be sure to subscribe, like. I would love to hear your comments if you love the arrow and a little bit of a different take on some fall florals. Thanks guys for watching.